Welcome back. If you're having your e-commerce store on WooCommerce and you're accepting payments via Razorpay Payment Gateway, then this video is for you. You already know how important it is to keep your customers informed about their orders and payments. But if you're receiving hundreds of orders daily, sending messages to your customers manually can be really time consuming and problematic. So here I'm going to show you an automation which is going to do it for you automatically. For that, you need to integrate your WooCommerce store with Razorpay Payment Gateway and a WhatsApp API service provider application, that is MSG24x7, and we are going to set up this whole automation workflow without any coding, just by a few clicks. So if you want to learn this, stay tuned till the end. Let's begin. To set up the workflow of this automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation and integration tool. And to reach this page, guys, you can use the link I have pasted in the description. And from here, you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automation. So guys, sign up right now from the given link, and after that you can sign in to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here, guys, you can click on this create workflow button to set up your workflow. So let me click here, and here you can provide a suitable name to this workflow. So let me provide a name here. So I have given this name here. Okay, now you can click on create button and you can see the workflow page is loading up here. And on this page, guys, you will find the basic building blocks of our automation, which are the trigger and the actions. So guys, trigger is that event which is going to start our workflow, and the actions are the automated responses of the trigger. In our use case, guys, getting an order paid of WooCommerce via Razorpay is going to trigger this workflow, and the actions would be to get the details of that particular order, and send a WhatsApp message to the customer. Okay. So when you click on this trigger section, it will ask you to choose the trigger application. So here you have to choose Razorpay as the trigger application, because the payment we are going to receive is via Razorpay. Okay. So select the trigger event here as order paid. Okay. And it will provide you this webhook URL. So with the help of this, we are going to create a connection with Razorpay. But before this, guys, to receive payments of your WooCommerce orders via Razorpay, you need to connect your WooCommerce store with Razorpay as well. So to connect that, you need to reach your WooCommerce, the WordPress dashboard, and here, guys, you will find this plugin section. From here, you have to install a plugin which is called Razorpay for WooCommerce. So you can search for that plugin here like this, and you will find this plugin. Here you can see this plugin you have to install, Razorpay for WooCommerce. So it allows you to use Razorpay Payment Gateway with WooCommerce. So you have to install it. I have already installed it, and you have to activate this plugin for your store. And after that, you can set up the workflow. So now it's time to connect Razorpay with our trigger. To do that, you can read the instructions. You need to add this webhook URL. So on this webhook URL, you can receive the data from Razorpay. Okay, so you have to add this URL inside your Razorpay account under the webhooks section. So let me just show you. This is my Razorpay applications dashboard. Here, guys, you need to find the settings option. So here is account and settings option. Click on it. Here you will find this website and app settings tab. Under here, you will find this webhooks option. Click on it, and here you have to add a webhook URL by clicking on this add new webhook. Okay, right here it is asking for the webhook URL, so you need to copy this URL and paste it here like this. Okay, and here it will ask you to select the active events. So here you have to select that event on which you want to send the data from the Razorpay to your trigger. So here you have to select order.paid option. Check this box and then click on create webhook. And here you can see a webhook is saved successfully. Okay. And also, guys, you need to add the API key of Razorpay inside this plugin that you have installed in WooCommerce, so that the plugin will be set up for your Razorpay payments option. Okay, right, and here you can see as we have added the webhook URL and copied this URL, it started showing waiting for the response of this connection that you have created. This means now we can perform a test submission. Test submission means now I am going to manually create an order in my WooCommerce store, and that will act as a test order for us to set up this automation further. So let me open the store page. So this is a store page I have created to show you the demo of this automation, and here I am clicking on add to cart option to add this product to my cart. Okay, so this is the iron press, this is the price of this product, and this is the quantity, and here I am going to click on proceed to checkout, and this is the checkout page of my store, and here I have entered some random test details to create a test order. This is the first name demo and last name user of a demo customer. These are all the details of the customer, and here I'm going to click on the place order option, but before that I'm going to select this credit/debit option, and you can see read here it is going to pay by Razorpay. Okay, now click on place order, and here you can see this kind of window will appear. From here you can select card option. Okay, and here I am going to provide some test card details. This is not an original card, and this is not an original payment as well. This is a test payment, so I am using the test or sample card details, and here I am clicking on pay now. Okay, pay without saving the card, and this is a demo bank page. Here you can provide any random OTP like 1234, and then click on submit, and you can see the OTP is getting submitted and the payment is successful. Okay, and this payment page is via Razorpay. Okay, so you can see it's showing please wait while we are processing your payment, and the process is done. Okay, and we have received a test payment via Razorpay of this product. Let's check in our workflow if we have received the data, and here you can see we got the data captured like this. Here you can see the payment method is card. Here you can see the details of the customer, the order number, the currency, the phone number, okay, and all other details of the card and the amount, and everything is captured here. So after receiving the payment, guys, we are going to search for this order inside WooCommerce, okay, so that we can get the full details of the order. So here in this action window, I am going to connect with WooCommerce. Here I'm going to use the action event as retrieve an order by email. Select this option, then click on connect button. From here select add new connection, and here it will ask to enter the consumer key, the consumer secret, and the website's URL. So guys, you need to find these things from the WooCommerce settings. In the advanced section, you will get these things. For the website URL, you can just open the WordPress dashboard, and on the top search bar, you will find the URL like this, and you have to copy the URL till this .com, okay, and you need to avoid this wp-admin. Okay, so just copy till here before the slash and paste the URL without the ending slash like this given in the example. For these two things, you can open the WooCommerce settings option. Here is WooCommerce. Here in settings option, open it. Under the settings page, you will find this advanced tab right here. Click on it. Under advanced page, you will find this REST API option. Click on it, and under the REST API, you need to click on this add key button. Okay, and here you can provide a description to this key. So I'm providing the description as order paid. Okay, here you can select the permissions. So you have to provide the permission as a read/write. Then click on generate API key, and you will get this consumer key and the consumer secret. So you just have to copy the keys and enter it here inside the workflow and provide the consumer secret key as well, right? And then click on save, and you will be connected with WooCommerce like this. And here it started asking to provide the email to retrieve a order. So guys, we have received the email of the person who have ordered this product. Here in the previous steps in the triggers response, this is the email label. So I'm going to map this email label here in this field. So you just have to click here and the previous step will appear here in the drop down, and when you click on it you will find all the data here only. So from here just click on this email label to map it, and then click on save and send test request button, and you will get the order details from WooCommerce in the response section. Right here you can see guys, it started showing the details here. The date of the order is here, okay, and here you can see the first name and the last name of the customer is here, the billing address, the email address, everything is captured here. Now guys, after getting these details, I want to send a WhatsApp message to the customer, but before this I'm going to ensure that the message will be sent only when we have received the payment via Razorpay. So we have different modes of payments. We can get the cash on delivery option as well, but at that time I do not want to send any message. I want to send the message whenever I receive the payment via Razorpay only. For that we can apply this condition here, and to apply that condition just click here on this plus icon, and here from this action window I'm going to use a feature of Pabbly Connect which is called filter. So filter is going to filter out the data according to the conditions that you are applying. So guys, here you can see it started asking to select the label, select the filter type and put a value here. So from this previous step you can see we have received the data from WooCommerce, and here you can see it's showing the payment method Razorpay. Okay, so I'm going to select this payment method label here in this filter. Just click here and the previous steps will appear like this. From the second step, just map the payment method label. You will get the method here. This is it. Select it and then select the filter type equals to, and here in the value put Razorpay. Okay, so this means that whenever this payment method label give you this value, then only this workflow is going to run, otherwise it will stop right here. Okay, so click on save and send test request button to check this condition, and here you can see it started showing the condition is true. Okay, so whenever this condition is true, we want to send a WhatsApp message. For that to happen, just click on this plus icon, and from this another action window, connect with MSG24x7 official WhatsApp business API provider. Okay, so use the action event as send WhatsApp template message. Then click on connect button, and from here select add new connection, and here it will ask you to provide the API key of MSG24x7 application. You will get this key from MSG24 applications dashboard. Here you can see this is it. From here click on this manage option. Under manage section you will find this API key option. From here you can just click copy and paste the API key here. Then click on save and you will be connected with MSG24x7. Right, and here it will ask you to provide the campaign name, the mobile number, the username to whom we are sending the message, and everything. So guys, before filling these details, you need to have a live campaign already created inside MSG24x7 to send the messages. So guys, to create a campaign, you can just click on this campaigns option. Here you can click on this launch option to create a campaign, and this campaign will be a API campaign because we want to send automated messages via API of MSG24x7. So click on next here, and here it will ask you to give a name to this campaign. So I'm going to give the name as Razorpay orders, Razorpay payments. Okay, you can give any name. Here you have to select a template, a message template by which you want to send the messages. So guys, first of all, let me show you the message templates. I am clicking on manage option again, and here you can see we have this message templates option available, and let me click on this all option, and these are all the message templates I have already created and get them approved. So guys, what are these message templates? These are the predefined message structures that you need to create beforehand, and with the help of these structures that you can send messages on WhatsApp to multiple people automatically at once. Okay, For this purpose, for sending payment confirmations messages, I have created this template. Let me show you this one, payment confirmed. So here is the message, woohoo, thanks for shopping with us. Your payment status is confirmed. We'll mail you the receipt over your mail ID, that is this. You'll receive your message on your own number followed as this, okay? So how you can create such templates? Just by clicking on this new option, and here it will ask you to provide a templates category. These are the categories. Here you can select a language in which you want to type the message. Here you can provide the name to this template, select the template type. You can send an image, video, file, location, etc. And here you can type the message that you want to send. And in this message, you need to place these placeholders like this, 1 in double curly braces and 2. These are called the body variables of the message. So with the help of these variables, you can customize or personalize the messages automatically. Okay, in these variables, you can put the data which is going to be changed automatically in a new fresh message and will be received by any person. Okay, so to make the messages personalized, you can have these options. You can add a footer, you can add a call to action button as well. Okay, so that's how you can create a template. Okay, so let me just use already created template named as payment confirm. So we have already created it. Let me just create a live campaign. Let me launch a campaign which is API campaign. The name of the campaign, let's say, is Razorpay. Let me select the template payment confirmed, and here I'm going to click on set live, and you can see the campaign is now live. You can see that here. This is the live campaign, and let me just put the name of this campaign here in my workflow as well, like this. Okay, so here it is asking for the mobile number. So here you have to place the WhatsApp number of your customer. So you will get the WhatsApp number from the second step. So you can just map it like this. Okay, and you have to remember that you have to place the WhatsApp number in this exact format with a plus sign and a country code. Okay, here it is asking for the username. So you can map the username from the previous step. Here is the name. Okay, so I'm mapping the first name only. Here it is asking for the source. You can provide a source, you can provide tags. Here it is asking to enter the template parameters or the variables that you have inside your template. So I have already shown you here that in this template I have 3 variables, 1, 2 and 3. So first variable is for the name of the person, second variable is for the email ID, and third is for the phone number. So you need to map the 3 things in comma separated forms like this. So let me just first place the name, then I'm going to put a comma, then I'm going to put the email address, and finally the phone number. Right. And here if you are sending any media, you can place the media here, any file here. Okay, and you can use these options as well. Now you can just check your connection with WhatsApp as well by clicking on save and send test request button, and a test message will be delivered to this WhatsApp number, but this is not a real number. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to place my WhatsApp number, then I'm going to click on save and send test request and show you how the message is going to look like in real time. So guys, I have clicked on save and send test request button, and you can see the response. It is showing success, value true, and I have received a WhatsApp message as well. Let me show you. Here you can see, guys, we have received the message, woohoo, thanks for shopping with us demo. Your payment status is confirmed. We are going to send you the receipt over your email ID, that is this, and the phone number. You also receive a message on a number followed by this. Okay, so this is the same template we got in our MSG24x7, and you can see the data placed here properly inside the template parameters, and this was the same message you can see we had here, and I have mapped the values of variables here like this. Okay, and our connection is working fine, and this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, guys, it is going to trigger automatically whenever you are going to receive order paid via Razorpay. and a WhatsApp message will be delivered to the customer automatically. And I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description so that you can clone the same workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.